Fix Elgato HD60 S Plus not working with the PS5. So simply check your HDMI setup, which is very important. The correct wiring is the PS5 to the HDMI in, and then the Elgato to the HDMI out, that's your TV. And then the USB is connected to your PC. A wrong setup would be no signal. Next, you can also disable the HDCP. If you turn this setting off, you're going to be able to stream properly. Just go into Settings, select System, open HDMI, turn the HDCP off. If this is turned on, you'll get a black screen. And now also make sure to set your resolution to about 1080p. You could do this in your settings where we have video output. Go ahead and set it to off. That's 120 Hz output should be off. That way the HDS Plus will be able to run, as it doesn't support 4K or 120 Hz pass-through. Now you could also fix your OBS or the Elgato software by simply creating a source for it on OBS. So open OBS or the 4K capture utility, add the video capture card or the device, and then select Elgato HD60 S Plus. And then if it's not selected, you're not going to be getting any video, so it's going to show up here in your existing. Now where we have the USB 3 port, make sure you have selected the USB 3 port for your device, as Elgato only uses USB 3.0, so keep this in mind. Any other thing would mean lag or no signals. And lastly, update your software and drivers. That's for the Elgato, your Windows, and the OBS software. And then simply test it without a HDMI pass-through, as maybe your HDMI out may be faulty. Alright,